What's going on, guys? Today I have a fun video for you guys and I'm going to show you how I managed to make over $50,000 in 30 days. I'm going to also be revealing some hot products that I've been selling, and I'm going to show you proof and evidence, and of course I'm going to be giving you guys some good tips so you guys can learn to do it yourself. Also, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. I'm gonna guess I made around 50K in the past 30 days. I've been trying to go to the bank for the past few days. Banks have been closed due to holidays. I drove to the bank and it turns out the bank is closed. If you guys want to see more posts or more videos of me, I do post a lot of videos on Instagram at investing.hustler. Also, I do post a lot of videos on TikTok. You can follow me on TikTok, Investing Hustler. So before I explain to you guys how I made all this, it's quite a lot of money. I'm gonna recommend you guys to watch all my previous videos. I talk about a lot of my secrets, and slowly you guys see my story. It started off with flipping phones. I was flipping video games, investing, doing YouTube. One of the main things I've been preaching for the past 2-3 years since I've been YouTubing is having multiple sources of income. Eventually, one of those incomes, they blow up. Quick example is pretty much everything behind me. These are all products that I sell pretty much everywhere around me. But to be honest, these products here, it's probably about 20% of the products that I own. The rest of the products that I have, it's in a secret facility. So if you guys thought I had a lot of boxes in my apartment, wait till you see what I got here. Just ram-packed with boxes from beginning to the end. It goes pretty deep in here. If you go look inside, there's just boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes. But unfortunately, there's more. Gyms are closed down, so I invested on a crap load of dumbbells from ceiling to floor, from head to me toes, is all dumbbells. It's 1 a.m., it's nighttime right now, and I'm still out here because all day I'm working. I don't have time to come to the storage to grab stuff. So if you guys think flipping, reselling is an easy gig, maybe it's easy if you want to be lazy and if you don't want to make real money. But if you want to make real money, sometimes you gotta work 12+ hours a day. Sometimes it affects your lifestyles, your friendships, your relationships. You're looking at the bigger picture. You're working for something bigger than that. I literally worked 365 days in 2021. Your work ethic and how hard you work is gonna determine how badly you want it. As you can see, I want it bad. If you want to get to the next level a lot quicker, you don't want to do it while you're old. You want to do it while you're young. I'm just trying to work my ass off right now till I get to the next level. And I'm just trying to get to the next level as quick as possible. Now, what's behind door number 2? Whoa! So as you can see, even this place is filled up with boxes. Some more bikes, some more boxes. It's actually a bit more emptier than usual. That's probably because of Christmas. But yeah, you see all these boxes. It makes what I have in my apartment look like nothing. You can't have all your eggs in one basket. I once had my home invaded and they pretty much took all my stuff in one shot. Me spreading all my eggs makes it impossible. There's no way anyone could ever take 100% of what I got ever, because I have everything just spread out. My money spread out, investments spread out, products spread out. And that's the best way and the smartest way and the most cautious way to do it. Let me ask you guys something. How many of you guys would take some time off if you guys made 50K in the last month? How many of you guys would take a day off if you made like 3K in a day? Well, let me tell you, while you guys are sleeping at 1 a.m., you're in bed cuddled up with your girlfriends, at home playing video games, I'm still grinding. See? Not even joking. 12:59, and I'm sweating my ass off right now. So what's behind door number 3? Now this here is actually by far my smallest locker room, and as you can see, I just have a few things. So there you have it. There's all my products, and it's a lot. If you guys want to see a video of how much money I spent this year, how much money I spent on my credit card, give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a like. Let me know in the comment section. Anyways, I gotta put all this back in the car. I'm gonna see you at the car. I really hope all these boxes fit in my car. I'm gonna have to get a truck soon. I'm probably gonna fast forward this whole thing. It's a miracle, but somehow I made it fit. She's a little dirty. I'm sure you guys remember my Audi. I ended up selling that car, making profit off it. Unfortunately, I was too busy to make a part 3, red interior. Anyways, I'll see you guys back in the lab. I'm gonna go to the bank today. I'm gonna deposit all this money, and literally I made all this in the past 7 days. And a lot of it has to do because of this right here, because of Christmas, the most wonderful time of the year. For a lot of families, for a lot of people, Christmas is a time to spend a lot of money. They probably spend all this. They did. For me, Christmas is a time to make a lot of money. I don't need no Christmas gift. All I need is this. Probably gonna use my phone camera going to the bank, so the quality is gonna be a lot worse. But you guys aren't here for the quality. You're here for the content. They're gonna question, where the did I get all this from? And I'm gonna see you guys in the bank. We're almost at the bank. And I'm also going to give you guys a few tips, starting with one right now. Stop undercutting your competition. All you guys are doing is just lowering your profits, not just for me, but for yourself. If everyone keeps the same price, buyers have no choice but to pay that price. If you're a buyer, I'm sorry, we're trying to make money out here. Another tip is just start at your own pace. Don't try to get ahead of yourself. Just because you see me with hundreds or thousands of different products, I started off with iPhones. I started off selling one iPhone, and then I made 120 bucks profit from that one iPhone, and that's where it all started. That's where the light bulb went off for me. And then I'm like, why just iPhones? Let's do Samsung. So I started selling Samsungs. And then I got into gaming. I'm like, hey, I play video games. Why not flip video games? I slowly worked my way up. I slowly grew my snowball. I kept investing all my profits. I recommend you guys to do the same. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't be like, oh, Investing Hustler's making this much money in a week. I want to copy what he's doing. It's going to be hard to do everything I'm doing, because this year I invested over $200,000. You have to start at your own pace. Don't look at someone's 10 years and compare it to your second year. And believe me, it was never always this good. That's why I always had multiple sources of income. Never lose focus on everything you worked hard for, and always focus on the income that's the most rewarding. We're gonna hop into my bank soon, where I've received a lot of e-transfers. At the end of the video, I'm gonna do the math, and I'm gonna see how much I made in the past 30 days during the holidays. I'm gonna be back. So the year is 2031. I am now officially on my 11th booster shot, and I'm making one final attempt to go to the bank, and hopefully this time they're finally open. So what was the total? 5,040. Okay, and this is the final deposit. That should be 10,000. Yeah, plus that. So after so many failed attempts, I finally made it into the bank after multiple failed attempts. I ended up depositing into one of my accounts 15K. I don't know if you guys could see that. I have an extra 2,800 that I have not deposited yet. We're gonna try to go into my computer. I'm gonna show you guys my accounts, and we're gonna see exactly how much money I made in the past 30 days. But let's just jump right into my computer. So we finally made it to my computer, and right here you could see from date November 29th, 2021 to December 29th, 2021. As you can see right here, you have my withdrawals and my deposit. Withdrawals are usually my investments that I make. Deposits, it's usually the money that I made and I deposit into my bank. So right here you could see a 12,983 wire transfer, which was an investment I made, and the $100 right here is another investment I made. Or sometimes you'll see my expenses like paying gas at Esso. Deposits, normally they're e-transfers or me depositing money that I made. So all my deposits would be my income. As you can see right here, you see an e-transfer on December 29th is the deposit of $15,000, and multiple e-transfers throughout the week, throughout the day. And we'll see the next big deposit, which was $7,500 right here. You could see on December 17th. And right here, you see another large deposit, $9,000 on December 13th, and then a bunch of e-transfers. And then once again, another large deposit, $5,700 on December 3rd. And on November 29th, a $7,100 deposit. And right here, when we get to the bottom, we see a total of $50,233.95 deposited in the past 30 days. Surprisingly, that was not my most successful month. My most successful month was on June 2021, and we'll scroll all the way to the bottom. On that month, I made $101,643, and I also spent a total of $39,000 that month. So there you have it. I managed to make over $52,000 in the past 30 days, and that wasn't even my hottest month. My hottest month, I made over $100,000 $50,000 in 30 days. And I actually have another $10,000 here, which I'm gonna deposit into my bank today. Sales never stop. It wasn't just because of the holidays that I'm making this much money. I still managed to make all this and made close to $27,000 in the past 2 weeks. Of course, it's gonna take a lot of commitment, a lot of hard work, but it's possible for anyone to do it. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.